Hello guys, I'm Max.
I'm Kirill.
On this channel, we talk about interesting family and kids games. And today we are talking about
Puzzles.
That's right. Watch the video to the end and you will find out how interesting it is to play with a kid. Let's go. To make it interesting for both children and adults, we advise you to choose a set with 2 or 3 puzzles of the same theme. Pay attention to the age limit so that it is not too difficult for adults. These children's puzzles are very easy to sort, because each piece is labeled on the back. These puzzles contain 4 types and today we are going to challenge each other. Who will put the puzzle together first, Kirill or me?
Hey, did you know that puzzles are a very useful kids game?
Because this children's game develops children's motor skills, which will help you to speak well in the future. Can you imagine?
And puzzles develop thinking and imagination.
Yes, it also develops visual short-term memory.
By the way, puzzles develop both sides of the brain.
For adults, puzzles are very useful because they reduce stress and anxiety. The simplest puzzles in childhood develop logic and attention.
During the game, you learn how to put the parts together to make the whole.
You memorize ornaments, colors, and shades. Puzzles also develop alternative thinking and general problem-solving skills.
And I also know that puzzles produce dopamine, the hormone of joy.
Guys, thanks for watching.
Put likes, click on the bell,
Right,
and subscribe to our channel.
exactly. Likes everyone.